Hey everyone, today we present an Emerson Pryne Blo-Fan kitchen exhaust fan. Now the house that this is installed in was built in probably around 1953 or 1954, and so that's when I assume this unit is from, since the original owner still owns this place. Her son maintains it regularly and takes good care of it. He uses Zoom spout oil to oil it. So this thing is well maintained. We're going to take a little bit of a better look at it here without the light on. You can see it a little better, I think. Oh yeah, that's quite a bit better. So as you can see, this fan has 8 blades on it, and I think it's about 10 inches in diameter. So I assume the CFM would probably be 400 to 500 cubic feet per minute, which would be quite a bit. This thing does sound like it moves some pretty good air. So without further ado, what we're going to do now is give you a little demonstration of it. And we'll shut it off now and watch it coast. Yeah, this thing does get used pretty regularly as well. So anyway, we will now conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old kitchen vent fan get put through its paces. Thank you for watching, and of course we will have more to come. So please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned, and we will see you later.